What up guys, welcome back to another episode. And my hair is looking pretty long now. Anyways, so I'm in my Evo and I'm gonna be doing a little bit of maintenance today. Not too much, just gonna be replacing the in-cabin air filter. I don't know if the previous owner have ever changed them before, but decided to change it. So you can get that nice clean air as you drive. You don't wanna be smelling some odor or anything, so might as well change it. The car has 99,000 miles, so who knows if it's ever been changed or not. So I'm gonna show you how easy it is to change it. If you guys are wondering what kind of air filter I'm using, I got this from Amazon, or I think from eBay, I don't remember. But it's from Dependable Direct. So it has the carbons and everything. It's gonna, here's the model number if you guys are interested. I'll even post up the link where I got it from in the description below. But yeah, it comes with this box. There's really nothing to it. There's no design except for, yeah, this is it. Again, if you guys are interested, this is the serial number, where to get it. So this is the cabin air filter. All right. So to change the filter, it's located right here on the passenger side dash. So I'm going to show you how to access it and easily change it out. Hopefully the old one isn't as dirty. So first things first, you have to open this. Alright, so once you have the glove box open, on this side, you want to go from behind and then kind of push it forward, and then you can hear it just come out, and then you just take out. Let's just take out this part. All right, so once you get that tap on the left side out, there should be another one on the right side, but it doesn't have anything for you to remove it. So what you do is you get your hand, apply some pressure inwards, and then that should be able to come out and just drop the glove box. This is the filter what I'm talking about, where you had to replace, and it's held on by two Phillips bolt. So remove those first. Just pull this cover out. So this is the old filter, and it has some debris in there. Not too much. It looks pretty clean to me. There's a few debris, but not bad for a 99,000 mile car, so I assume the previous owner did change it. Alright, here's the new one, and this is how you want to put it in. You see those two holes on the bottom right? That should be on the bottom, and then on this end there's like a flat on the bottom, so that should be on the bottom side. And then you just want to slide it in. Make sure it's nice and snug, which it is. And then you want to get your two Phillips to tighten it back up. Trying to do this with one hand is not easy, but it's doable. Just be careful not to drop the screws. And that's it. That's how you install the in-cabin air filter. It's quite easy. It literally took me like less than 5 minutes to do. And now you have clean air inside the car. Alright, after you're done, you just want to close the glove box. And again, you just want to push it inwards. Now that goes back behind the tab. Now let's put in this piece back in. So this is how it goes in. There's like two tabs right here. So you want to put this inside the hole first. And then that just clips right in with that satisfying click. And that is it. Yep, that's it guys. That literally took me like less than 5 minutes to do. If you guys have that really bad odor inside the car, the first thing I would probably do is just change the air cabin filter, and all you need is just a Phillips screwdriver. Alright guys, so that is pretty much it for today's video. If you guys want to see more of the Evo stuff, hit that subscribe and comment down below what you want to see. Alright guys, I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to be safe out there. Peace.